What if Bitcoin hits zero? Not a dip, not a correction, but straight up $0 and 0 cents. Right now, this sounds like a fairy tale. But in the volatile world of crypto, nothing is impossible. Today, we're going to trace the exact 7-day timeline of a total Bitcoin apocalypse. It's not pretty, it's not fun, but it is the ultimate scenario for anyone trying to build maximum money in 2026. This isn't financial advice, this is financial fiction, and it's terrifying. So, what could cause this? It wouldn't be people selling, it would be a catastrophic loss of trust. Maybe a fatal flaw is discovered in the core Bitcoin protocol, making transaction validation impossible. Or maybe a hidden backdoor from the NSA is revealed. Instantly, the buy pressure evaporates. There is no bid. The initial shockwave on day one is silence. Exchanges don't have time to update, they just freeze. You log into your Coinbase or Binance account, and your portfolio value reads $0. You try to initiate a transfer, and the button is grayed out. The absolute lockout of $1.4 trillion in personal wealth has begun. This is where the retail panic goes from 0 to 1,000. Day 3 is when the contagion spreads. The mainstream media has a collective aneurysm. Bitcoin isn't just an asset, it's a pillar of modern alternative finance. High-tech companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square, which hold billions in BTC, have to reevaluate their entire balance sheets. Their stock prices crater. Simultaneously, the big banking institutions that just spent years getting approvals for Bitcoin ETFs, they have to declare mass insolvency events. We aren't talking about a crypto winter anymore. This is a global banking ice age. Real investors, regular people with 401ks, lose everything. The global economy enters a freeze frame. But by day 6, a weird thing happens. A vacuum forms, and the powerful will fill it. The digital gold narrative is dead. So what takes its place? Governments and central banks stop panicking and start smiling. While regular people are still crying, they announce the immediate activation of their safe, secure, and regulated central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The freedom and anonymity of Bitcoin are replaced by a digital ledger that tracks and controls exactly how and where you spend your money. Your tragedy becomes their ultimate control mechanism. This is the new reset. So, is this scenario plausible? Probably not. The network security is too decentralized, but it reminds us that true wealth isn't just numbers on a screen, it's sovereignty. If your strategy relies on an exchange holding your keys, you're just a spectator. Self-custody isn't an option. It's the only way to survive. Like and subscribe if you want to know how I'm hedging my portfolio against this financial fiction. And leave a comment. What would you do if Bitcoin hit $0 tomorrow?